Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we'll be unboxing one kit from Figura Standard Amplified line. This one for Yu-Gi-Oh! line. This Egyptian God Slifer, the Sky Dragon. I think they got three. The first and the gold one, the Dragon of Ra. Then the another one is a blue, obsolete, I think now the name. And this is the third one, Slifer, the Sky Dragon. I'm not follow the Yu-Gi-Oh! Anime after the first two season, so I don't know very much about this monster. But this price is around 300, I think 300 something. So this is the box arts. Here you can see they have like different expression can show in the face part. I got two mouths right here. Then the next part, the arm, can open up to 250 mm. Then it's got a display base. Here, back here is more info. We got list of runner. Not so much runner, and got the wing parts here, so you can see what inside. So the first pack is two runner, one both is runner H. I think these are for the wings. Yeah, runner H, two runner H. Then next got here runner B. I think the four arms got right here, and the two runner B because two arm left and right. Two runner B. This runner D. One runner D for the body, I think. Next, this E1. You can get the E2 here. This one E2. This is for tail part, I think. E1 and E2. But these are action base, normal action base. Got polycap, runner A is a runner G, mostly for like inner frame. Next, last pack here. The claw, runner C. For the claw, two set, and runner F also two set. Then for the arms, and got wing parts here. So I think it's not manual. This is the manual, and got like sticker for the eyes and the mouth, tongue, I think. So the manual you open like this. And here so start with the leg part and arm parts. Okay, this is a image list of runner, and start with the head parts. Here maybe put sticker here, and the body part, and next is the body. Got two bodies, upper body. I think this is like a tail one, the body too. Then continue to arms and legs, and arm and legs. This one is a tail and the wings. Lastly, the display base, and this is how you attach to display. I think it should come with a display base lah, because this not suitable to stand by their own. Okay, this is how you stand with the base, and I think that's all for unboxing this Egyptian god Slifer the Sky Dragon. So we'll do the speed loop and review later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.